To security-related matters now, more law-abiding Jamaicans are being told to join the security forces in the fight against crime. The call comes as the authorities push to cut murders in the country to under 500 in 2026. Deidre Thomas has details.
In 2025, Jamaica recorded a 41% decline in murders, closing the year with 673 killings, the lowest in 31 years and the first time since 2003 that homicides fell below 1,000. But while applauding the historic improvement, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is challenging the Jamaica Constabulary Force to push for even more improvements.
I don't know what the target of the Commissioner is, but whatever the target of the Commissioner and the police is, our target in Jamaica must be in excess of 50% reduction in murders. And we can achieve it.
Pointing to parish-level data, according to the minister, in 2025, 35 murders were recorded in Manchester compared to 53 recorded in 2024, representing a reduction of 18 killings, a figure he says is still troubling.
35 murders is still too many for a parish that has always been known to be peaceful. And I will be asking every citizen, especially the JPs, to work very closely with the police to have more than a 50% reduction. For 2026, Manchester should be looking at much less than 20 murders for the year. And there's absolutely no reason why it cannot be achieved.
At the heart of the problem, the Justice Minister says, is the persistent use of illegal firearms in the country. Guns, he revealed, accounted for 73% of murders committed in 2025.
What it means is that there are far too many guns across Jamaica. And that is the power that these young men feel they have. And they behave like autocrats. Once they have the power, they feel they must use it. And I say to you, Justice of the Peace and people of Manchester, you have to assist the police in identifying and exposing those criminals who carry and feel that they must have guns and access to guns.
While acknowledging the efforts and sacrifices of the JCF, he cautioned that the fight against crime cannot be won by the police alone. He's urging citizens to play a more active role by identifying and exposing criminals.
Those of you who know that your family members have guns, urge them to give them up, because otherwise it won't be long before you visit them in prison or assist them 6 feet down. So I say, you family members who know that your young ones, and most of the people with guns are young ones, are carrying guns, urge them to give them up before the police come for them. Because the police is using intelligence to find them, and the police will be coming for them.
Minister Chuck was speaking at the Manchester Custos New Year's church service at the Mandeville Baptist Church on Sunday. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.